हम लोग किस करने वाले थे पता, ये कैमरा ऑन कर दे।
We are going for dinner with Akash, Aishwarya and Naveen. कब जाए बाबा? निकले, भूख लगी है। हेलो।
Look at this.
ये दोपहर का खाना है गधे, अभी खाना है मुझे।
डिनर टाइम हुआ नहीं है। नॉर्मल लोग का डिनर टाइम इज लाइक एट 9, 8:30 बज रहे हैं।
Can we go, please?
Why you acting like a kid?
सबको एक एक करके इंडिविजुअली बाय बोलने की जरूरत है। कब से?
बाय बोलने का
कब से? जब से मैंने नवीद को बोला कि भूख लगा, नवीद लाइक रुक जा, अभी सबको बाय बोल के आता हूँ।
Who do you think will be the diva out of both of us? Who do you think will be the diva?
तेरा नाम
कहाँ जाना?
ग्राउंड ही जाना है और क्या जाना है? ये देखो नवीद इतना बेशरम है। उसने सारे बटन दबा दिए जानबूझ के। मुझे भूख लग रही है, मैं कब से समझा रहा हूँ तुझे यार। Why you like this?
What? I didn't do anything. You wanted to check fingerprints.
All my friends are toxic. Oh, ambitionless.
Should be your music on your entry.
I'm toxic. I'm toxic.
What?
सर पैर कहाँ है आपके? सर प्लीज चढ़ जाओ गाड़ी में प्लीज।
I thought someone will open the door.
प्लीज सर प्लीज। Is trying to find restaurants to eat at. Aishwarya is insisting we go to one particular restaurant.
Someone who makes a decision and then
So खाना क्यों नहीं खिलाता तू?
He's insisting on Derek because I said Derek.
The fusion into one personality is over. We have come to have dinner at Palladium Mall and Aishwarya is just bullying everyone by choosing this is the restaurant we're going to eat at. Fine, you win. You
She already had
win.
reserved.
I'm not reserved.
Yeah, there's already a reservation in Akash's name.
इतना भूख लगा है तेरे को बाबा कि डिस्कशन भी अलाउड
Order भी कर दिया होगा।
अभी देखो हम पहुंच गए, हम बैठ चुके हैं and then she's like, oh if you don't like we can go elsewhere.
We can. I am not someone who's adamant like you. I am open to discuss. I'm on my period and they are irritating me.
We can go to some other place if we want. We can go.
I have PCOD. I'm getting my period after 2.5 months. Women who have PCOD, you know what I'm talking about.
And she has just recovered from COVID.
Yeah, that was.
इसलिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ आज आकाश इतना डरा डरा क्यों लग रहा है? Guys, the monster has been fed.
Are you embarrassed of me? Huh? Are you feeling ashamed?
Guys, Aishwarya has just lost her mind realizing that the 3 boys she hangs out with know what a period is.
Guys, they know the consistency of period blood. Girls obviously know it. All 3 of them know exactly what the texture is, which is very surprising.
Yeah, it's because Naveen has periods all the time.
These people are just like, इसमें क्या है, सबको पता है. I'm just very impressed.
Whatever you do to me, Tanmay has to do to me.
No, I'm not gonna kiss you.
Guys, we need help because Aishwarya won't stop ordering food.
I'm saying let's order one dessert. And 4 of us will share one dessert, one baklava from here, which is really the same best baklava.
जाते ना यार, चलते.
Listen, I'll tell you what. They come and dehydrated rose petals, they crush and it falls. So what a great moment for the group.
Now I agree.
Right?
We should call for it.
लोग प्यार में आके ना रोज को कुछ भी करके खा लेता है।
Guys, we're in the theater and there were 2 girls, okay, who both walked past us and they were both giggling and being like, oh my god, that's Naveed, Naveed. They just said Naveed. They walked past us and they were like, oh my god, did you see that's Naveed? Oh my god. Oh.
Girls or boys?
Girls.
No, that's not true. They said Tanmay.
No, they didn't. No, they didn't. Anyway, next time, can you guys be louder so I don't have to fight this?
Why can I not be normal? Why does it have to be on camera?
That wasn't for my vlog. That was for fucking evidence. Someday when he wakes up with no hand, I need proof in court that you bit it.
Are you telling me you don't like biting? That's what. Silence, guys. Silence.
Alright. Who is it? Why you have come? Hamper time! Hamper time! It's the hamper parties! 2 of us have got hampers!
Yo, your hampers way bigger.
Why, thank you.
Then what hamper?
Rohan, it's not about the size, it's about how you use it, okay?
Bro, I didn't use mine also properly.
What are you doing? This is the most well-packaged gifts I've ever seen.
And now go screw it all up. oh fuck. Yeah, I told you, dude. It's proper.
What is the most expensive gift? कोई दोस्त
इस
नहीं।
दिवाली में देखो कितना PS5 लेके दे
What is the most expensive gift I've gotten?
PS5.
PS5, yeah. I think my PS5.
Well, I guess I'm sorry, I'm not Karan Johar then.
All right, come, let's begin.
क्या खोलेगा तन्मय?
This is the first one.
Yes.
Jani by Karan Johar. This is Kejo's thing.
Is it? Is Kejo's thing really good quality cellotape? It's not good. Try open it towards you.
Yes, let's go. Oh wow, earrings I'll never wear.
Are they earrings? No, these
No,
are
no, no.
cufflinks.
Oh, these are cufflinks.
These are
Oh,
cufflinks.
cool. Fuck, I'll have to wear a suit now.
Or you can just, with your shorts, wear a shirt that requires cufflinks in like a modern fashion statement.
Do you know what a cufflink is?
I know that.
Sorry, just asking. Just asking. All
These would also look baller with earrings on you. Like I feel like you'd have like a Shikhar Dhawan vibe.
क्या रोज सिंगल नहीं लेता तू आजकल? This is my impression of Shikhar Dhawan. Alright, so there were these killer cufflinks in the first gift from Mr. Johar himself. Thank you very much. Let's move on to the next one. Pretty sure I'm opening it wrong.
Naveed with the assist. What do you want to open next?
Do this. Every gift we unbox, the more undeserving we seem.
This is a good time to tell a story. We shot Alia Bhatt Genius of the Year. As token of our appreciation, we give Karan Johar 3 books about cinema.
Sorry, Karan.
Sorry, Karan.
Ah, this is the coffee cup.
Oh.
I just want to say that this cup didn't deserve that fancy packaging. Next. Alright, should we open something big now? Alright, we're now opening the big World Cup.
Oh, big box time.
Whoa!
Nice. That's sick. Speaker sick.
These speakers are
Yeah,
the
yeah,
bomb. Oh my god, the detailing.
Oh, no.
They have crashed out the price of this gift also.
True Indian gifting.
Yeah, it's a Bluetooth wireless home Bluetooth speaker, Marshall speakers.
Crazy.
This is a good. This is
a
a
very
good
good speaker. Yeah,
This is a good
it's very
speaker.
good. This is the reason why हमें merch सिर्फ sold store से.
Alright, next.
Audi!
Oh my god!
गाड़ी इतना छोटे डब्बे में कैसे आया? पागलपन! Espresso maker for the car. Like it's got like a, in your car you can make espresso.
Oh, that's sick.
That's pretty
I
cool.
love that.
That's amazing.
Oh, I've not used this, but can definitely say not better than my machine, which is called the Shankar 460. This is an Audi original Zubehor.
You're a Zubehor.
All right, lovely gift. Big fan. कितने का है? What a sexy case. Bro, great gift.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, many things are there.
Bro!
Bro!
What is this? You should totally figure out how to use this.
This is so cool that I'll have to buy a new car to match the coolness of this thing.
That's how they get you.
Yeah.
That's how Audi starts.
Yeah.
अब तो कॉफी पीने के लिए गाड़ी लेना पड़ेगा.
Next gift.
So far, all slamming gift, 10 on 10. Yes.
Befitting of India's #1 talk show.
100%.
By far.
थोड़ा पोस्ट में टाइम लैप्स कर देना.
More coffee. We will move on. Oh, there's like a big thing also under this. We'll open.
Oh, Vajan.
All right. Next gift.
Dressed also like Varun Dhawan in Jug Jug.
Yeah. Whoa. I see a little smile. Yes.
Hot star पे infidelity. Karan ji.
My fourth Alexa. Excited to play same song from 4 rooms.
Now you can see the video also.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this is screen.
This is an Echo Show.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, so got screen and all. So it's got you can do video calls.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's got a bottom rotating thing. This moves around
Yeah.
to wherever you are.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous. Would have never thought of buying this for myself. So far, on a scale of 1 to 10, 15 points to whoever has made this coffee hamper. Then there is, of course,
Best thing.
shout out to Bombay Sweet Shop. I've eaten from
my
here
God.
before. Sexy food.
These sparks are too good.
Alright, the next box says Khoya.
किसी को और
तो मिल गया.
Oh!
Oh, mukwas, bro. And it's lush, handmade, fresh mukwas.
because nothing makes you want to eat soft more than chocolate.
Exactly. Putting the house in Mukhawas.
So far, on a scale of 1 to 10, 24 points have been achieved by whoever curated this coffee hamper.
It's like this bottomless hamper. That's amazing. It just keeps going. Wow, this badam.
Biggest box. Ooh. Dip that side. Yeah, got it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Chai.
Oh, loose leaf tea.
Oh, tea. Wow. This is Kashmiri Kahwa chai.
Oh wow, this is ginger mint, this is lemon ginger.
This is chamomile mint, of course, citrus.
And this is sweet Himalayan detox.
Hey, coffee aficionado. We at Vadam wanted to take a moment to appreciate you for everything you are. Thank you. So sweet. Shout out to Vadam.
Badam, my kacha badam.
Next gift. Says handmade with love.
Oh, it's a fudge bar. Baker Street by Adi.
Oh, wow.
How's it? Extremely sweet.
Now, for these two gorgeous boxes. Oh, it's a teapot.
Oh, that's a cool teapot.
This is a sick teapot.
That's cool.
We have the next gift, which is Leslie Lewis's hair. Probably the most expensive gift there is.
Oh, काय झालं? काय पाहुणं? काय झालं? Oh, I'm the one that's crazy about you.
ये bloody basket Bollywood mafia. हमेशा.
I don't think this would be in the coffee hamper.
Can't take it seriously.
But Harry, you're Patronus.
If I strip down to my underwear and hold a bat, I'm basically that iconic photo of Sachin when he was baby. Shimona.
Right arm fast bowler plays for Sri Lanka.
Cool that you approached this via Michael Holding. I like that. I like that you came to Sri Lanka from the West Indies. No woman, no cry.
Alright, thank you very much. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Basket.
तुम्हें चाह कर भी न चाहे करे जो मन मानिए मन न माने मिली जो ये जो याद मिल के अब बाटे तेरे नाम सुना सफर